All right, it's time for the Legal Minute. We got Ben in today for Paul Harding from Martin Harding and Mazzotti. Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning.
Are you as qualified and as good of an attorney as Paul Harding?
That's a hard question to answer, but yes, I think so.
Look at his answer like an attorney. Well, let me hold on.
Let me look it up on page 198.
It's nice to meet you. We got a serious question for you that neither of us really know the answer to. Okay.
Sure. Go ahead, shoot.
You're throwing a big party. It's Saturday night. Everybody's having a great time. Maybe you're providing a keg, or you got wine, or the girls get together for the wine party, right?
A couple of drinks.
The guests, they're on their way home. One of your guests gets pulled over and arrested for a DUI. Are you, as the party thrower, responsible in any way?
No, you're not. DUI, of course, is a very serious offense.
Yeah.
It's something that the Vermont State Legislature does not take lightly. The judiciary does not take it lightly. It's a very serious offense, and there's a very strong public policy to prevent that sort of offense happening. The public deserves protection from drunk drivers. It is not possible for a DUI recipient, the defendant driver, the person who's been pulled over and ticketed for a DUI, to turn around and point their finger at either the bar or restaurant they are coming from, or from the host who has, quote unquote, furnished the alcohol at some private party.
Okay.
Now, with that being said, it is important to note that in terms of the criminal stuff, no, you can't turn around and point your finger at somebody else. But if that person goes out and hurts somebody, some other third party, crashes into a family crossing the street, does some other form of harm to another party, there may be the opportunity for that person who was injured to turn around and point their finger at the person who's hosting the private party.
Oh, so you could be and get in some trouble,
So those are two different scenarios.
Interesting.
That's right, two different scenarios. And I think most important, probably for your listeners, is what happens to me if I want to have a great party. And I because you don't want to have a party and worry about what's going to happen tomorrow or 2 days later, and you receive a summons and complaint in your mailbox.
Right.
Yeah.
That ruins the party. It ruins the week after, and it's going to ruin quite some time in the future for you. So, as the social host, what you want to be aware of is if you are hosting a party, furnishing alcohol, and allowing your guests to become intoxicated, and you think or you know that they're going to be driving, you have to be worried about the public at large. Those third parties who have no idea that driver coming down whatever route, whatever state-maintained highway is intoxicated and are intoxicated and coming from your home. That's what really, I think, people having these parties at spring, it's barbecue season, that's really where you want to have your mind if you're going to have those parties.
Okay.
Am I allowing people to leave my party in an intoxicated
Who
state
shouldn't be.
and creating risk?
So either find them a ride, take their keys, have them stay over if you feel like they've had too much, or just cut them off or don't provide too much.
Absolutely. If you can cut them off, cut them off. If you control the alcohol and you're furnishing it and you're giving it to people, be responsible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Know your guests and know when to cut them off, know when to call somebody, a ride, a taxi. It's a lot easier than dealing with a DUI or having some sort of lawsuit commenced against you. The other important thing I think for your listeners is they have to be particularly mindful of minors drinking on their property. That's a very serious thing. Any social host who's furnishing alcohol to minors is really putting themselves in a bad position.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Well, hey, you know what, Ben? A serious topic this week, and thank you for jumping in for Paul. You're far better of an attorney than he is.
A lot of really good information.
Thank you so much. Call me anytime.
All right, Ben. Hey, have a great week.
Take care.
You too.
See you later.
Bye-bye.